welcome to our tutorial on BuddyPress Member Type plugin by Webcom Designs. So, if you're managing an online community, you might need to categorize your users into different groups such as teachers, students, vendors, or customers. So, this plugin helps you do that exactly. That is, easily define and manage member type within your BuddyPress powered site. So, stay with me as I walk you through the installation, some key features, and customization options. Okay, the member type plugin is here. View details. You can make a free purchase from here, but let's since we have uploaded the file, install now. Activate plugin. Okay, plugin is activated. Now let's see if it shows up in the dashboard here. Under users, you can see there are ton of different field options. I will go to different member types. Now here you can see we can create different member categories. Let me show you how with an example. For example, let's say if you are creating a community for different interest types, we can have you can have category called poets. Under these, if a user is interested, is a poet or something, is interested in connecting with poets, he can search for this category. Now let me create this one first. Singular name would be poet, plural name. Now this category can has directory view. If we check it, we also get an option. We can create a custom slug for this. If we need to open the poet category, a different page will open up, but right now I'm not doing that. I need it in one place. So I can also have the option to show this particular member type on the user profile. So let me check that also. I can also choose, like, we can display this in registration form, you know so it's easier and hassle free for the user to select which interest they are going to fall under, category to fall under. We can also pre-select it in registration form. For, let's say, example, if you have a community for bike lovers or experienced bike lovers, so we can have a different category for them, and it will be pre-selected. But if he's a new user, he's just exploring his or her interest, he can just unselect this option. Now we also have the option to display this inside, edit this from the settings of the profile settings. We can opt for this option also, then create member type. Okay, then the member type is created. Let's check our site. Okay, that's this site. Go to members. Okay, this is a member, but right now we can see there is no new category even though we created it. That's because under this particular member type there is no one, so this won't show up. So let's add some users to this member type. So we'll go to the demo users that are there. Let's add Andrea to this. Edit. We go to extended profile, and then we can see the member type here. We can check this poet and update profile. Okay, profile is updated. Let's see if it shows now. Okay, this particular category is created. Under poets, we can see the count is 1. That is on, meaning only one user is there. Okay, perfect. But let's see if we check the option, like it should show on the members profile also. Okay, we can see, and member type poet, it's on this profile. That's great. Let's add another user and see. if it shows the account is getting updated or not. Okay, let's add done. Extended profile, member type poet, update profile. Let's update, refresh, sorry, go back. We can see the poet count has increased to 2, meaning 2 users are under that. That's great. Let's create another member type and add same part that is done to that and see if it's allowed in this particular category. Member type, we create, let's say, dog lovers. Singular name will be dog lover, plural name will be dog lovers. Should have directory view. It should show on member profile, display and registration. You know what, pre-select in registration also, everyone should be a dog lover. Then display inside edit. Okay, we can also select associated role according to associated role. Let's say if we have a person that's an author, and he can select we can have this only, he can view and select the particular author category in his profile. So let's go, add new member type, dog lovers 0. Let's add a user first, done, edit. Okay, we can update and has dog lover. Okay, update profile, it's updated. Let's see, done. Okay, dog lover 1, Dan is there, and you can see the count, and the categories is created. Let's see if it's updated in his profile also. Okay, we can see both the categories are shown. So this way we can have different people under different categories and make it easier for people to connect and navigate through the whole site and the whole user database easily. So let me cover some key features that are really stand out in this particular plugin. We can have create multiple of member type fields very easily, and we can also have visibility control using that role feature, where we can have only certain content can be viewed by certain category member type people. Then we can also assign multiple categories to multiple of members at once. And also it's very easy to integrate with registration form, as we have shown. And it also works well with BuddyPress profile fields also. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any doubts, let us know below. Thank you.